Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your train lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. In here you're looking for try lineup, or just click on search. Then here try lineup, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, then you search here for try lineup. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.